What couldn't be better than to see predictions come true? A couple of months back, I did warn some of my viewers that the valuations of Indian markets are sky high. We have never seen valuations of close to 23.5 PE, which is almost about all-time high what we saw in 2008 crash. So at this point of time, we are seeing an impending crash happening, and we are in a bear market, is what I perceive. And remember, when the fall happens, it does take a few months for the fall to digest and consolidate. So I expect the fall to probably settle down in the next 4 to 5 months. So we might see a intermediate bounce probably towards the end of the year, but for that, this market is headed down because of various global factors. One, the rupee appreciation. It's certainly not going to stop at 73. It's headed, certainly in the immediate short term, it's headed to about 75 levels. Oil has been a major concern. The price rise of oil is virtually unstoppable. We are truly headed towards another situation where oil might head closer to $100 a barrel. So clearly these are worrying signs for the market, and RBI playing the inflationary watchdog. With oil prices going to about $100 a barrel, I don't see RBI being in a great position to manage inflation. So inflation as well is going to go sky high in the next couple of months, per se, or maybe towards the next half year per se. But the interesting situation is that post the fall, we might see a great buying interest in mid caps and small caps to start with, and then followed by the large caps. Large caps have been largely resilient in this falling market, except for the last moment fall down from Reliance and some of the large caps. We haven't seen them fall to the extent which we would have liked. The FMCG stocks traditionally has been resilient in the falling market. Now you're seeing most of the FMCG stocks, except for Hindustan Lever and Marico, falling down by a significant margin. So maybe post the fall, we might get a lot of these stocks at pretty cheap valuations. The valuations of few of the mid caps and small caps are already looking attractive, and long-term investors could pick some of them. But I certainly see that the market is not going to stop here and is headed for a big fall, at least till the next quarter or so.